In this tutorial, let's talk about kerning and letter spacing or tracking here in Canva. So you probably came here for letter spacing or to kern. I have bad news. You cannot kern in Canva. You can adjust the tracking or letter spacing. So if you select a piece of text, you can go up to spacing, and then you have letter spacing here, which you can increase or decrease. Now, kerning is going to be the letter spacing or the spacing between individual letters, and there's just not a way to do that. No matter if you highlight certain letters or anything, the spacing for the letter spacing will affect everything within the text box. So the only real thing you can do, let's say I wanted to bring this E closer to the K, I could maybe cut, so Command X or Control X, and have that K separate, and then paste with Command or Control V, and have two separate text boxes that I then can move and adjust like that. And I can use my arrow keys to bump it. So if I had something very particular that I wanted to adjust the spacing between two letters, you would have to have two different text boxes to do that, unfortunately, here in Canva. If you want a more advanced program, something like Figma, something like Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, those can do kerning between individual letters, but unfortunately Canva can't. You can only adjust letter spacing or tracking between all the letters. But that's how you can adjust letter spacing here in Canva.